Hey everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll be polishing the headlights on my R33 Nissan Skyline. As you can see they're very faded and it looks terrible. Since they're so oxidized it means there's less light when I'm driving at night and that's unsafe. And our fog lights are also faded. So let's do something about it. Now this should be a fairly easy fix, so let's get into it. To fix this I'll be using some headlight polish. Now this isn't anything fancy, it was one of the cheapest ones I could find. And let's check the instructions. So all we have to do is shake it up and polish the headlights. Well, let's get into it. This is how it looks before. So I have a microfiber cloth and I'll apply the headlight restorer to that, after we shake it up of course. Yeah, good enough. And now we just put it on the headlight and give it a good scrub. Now I'll do some jump cuts just to make the progress faster. I have a feeling watching me scrub this for 10 minutes will be kind of boring. That's the magic of editing after all. Okay, so now I've polished that up, I can clean off any residue with the other side of the microfiber cloth, and that'll reveal how it actually looks. Well, that looks much better now, doesn't it? So let's do the fog light down here. Well, that's one side done, and what a difference that has made. And the fog light looks way better as well. So using the power of editing, this side will be done in no time at all. So one last look before I polish up the other headlight. And just like that, our headlights are fixed. That was very simple to do and it looks so much better now. And all I needed to do that was a rag and some polish. And it's made a huge difference. Now, I was planning on buying some new headlights and replacing these ones, but after looking up the prices, I figured it would be cheaper and easier just to polish these ones up. And doing this has saved me a lot of money. So if you've got some faded headlights, try giving them a polish and see how it goes. It's made a huge difference with my car. Now, with all of that being said and done, I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Please consider liking and subscribing.